This video is describing how we can use the Google form to collect a PDF file from the students. There are many questions. If we want the if we want the form to behave like a question paper for senior classes, we have the options of giving a choice to the students to do the assignment in a sheet, form it into a PDF form, and then upload it onto this Google form. So for this, we'll have the same form. This is the form I have opened from Google Forms. Now in the untitled question, we can have the question related to like upload your PDF file. You can give the question. It may be a math question, a computer question, a science question, where you want the user or means the student to answer it in a long answer type of question answer. So the thing is we have to collect the PDF or the image file from the students. So here we will type the question. Now we have the option here. Now for this we have an option of file upload. We have to select the file upload and click on the continue button. Now when we are giving this option, when the answers will come along with the form in a PDF file, those PDF file will be opened into our Google Drive. Whatever answers we will be getting in the form of PDF will open into our Google Drive. From there we can check and then evaluate. Now when we are giving a file upload option, like let us write a question, upload the answer for question number 5, 6 or whatever, like we are giving an instruction to upload. Now let us see the preview of this. When we will click on the preview button, this form will appear like this. This is the question we have written upload, and there is a space for adding file. This is the lookout of how it will look to the students. Along with the questions, the students will have the option of adding the file. So after the students are done with writing of the long question answer in their copy and forming the PDF, they can click on the add file option, and then they have to select the file from their device. So suppose this is the answer of the assignment that the students have done. So they will click on this and click on open option. So this PDF file will be attached with the form. And when the student will click on upload option, this PDF file will be uploaded and then it will be delivered to the teacher. So finally, when the student will click on the submit button, this PDF file will be redirected to the teacher's Google Drive. So in this way, we can use the form if we want to make it as a subjective type of question paper. So the students can use it in a proper way.